Hi, very good morning, all. And always I'm indebted to you. Thank you so much. You are keep on supporting me. Today's topic is regarding skill. People are always investigating and what to say the gossips about the skill set. And if somebody is performing stunningly, they used to say they are having higher skill. When they are not performing so, they used to say it's a lower skill. But I always used to say there is no higher skill and lower skill in the world. Only different skill. Again I am saying there is no higher skill and lower skill in a world. Only different skill in the world. Okay. So for example, you cannot become Barotta master and prepare Barotta very well. And what to say, even you can take Amma. There is a definition of management. No, management is the art of getting things done by others. நாம வேலை பார்க்கறது நம்ம மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் என்னன்னா நாம அவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து வேலை வாங்குறது அவனுக்கே தெரியக்கூடாது. That is what the management is all about. No, you take the best example, Mahendra Singh Dhoni sir. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni sir is extracting work from all the team member without letting them to know that they are working. That is what the management is all about. Adhe mari you take Amma is the best example. You take Amma and the neighbor. Amma calling the neighbor and little chit chat with the about the husband, about the yesterday curry, about the no talks will get end without talking about the mother-in-law. So all the dialogue would go, and by the way Amma giving some kind of what to say the untied flower to the neighbor, and by the way by speaking chit chatting the neighbor would tie all the flowers. See how easily Amma is extracting work from the neighbor. So this is an art, no? This art cannot be get by everyone. So that is what I'm saying. There is no higher skill and there is no lower skill. And don't even hesitate to say that what is your father? My father is a. Say farmer, farming, and say my father is a conductor. Okay, that's okay, no problem. And say coolie. Okay, no problem, no issue at all. The point is, do others do the work what your father is doing? Do others do the work what your mother is doing? See, maybe the technology is replacing your father work coolly, but human is a very gifted package, it's like other software package. It is not like other software package. Human package is a very exclusive software package that has emotion. For example, have you seen the movie Endiran? The consequences of Endiran, or we say science is a good servant but bad master. But when you go for the human, it understands everything. அந்த பொருள் அங்கேருந்து எடுத்துகிட்டு போனால் கரெக்டாக யாருக்கு இடிக்காமல் ஏத்தாப்புல ஒரு ஹியூமன் பீயிங் வந்தால் கூட விலகி போகிற திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் cannot be replaceable. So there is no higher skill and there is no lower skill, always different skill. It is like what to say tsunami. In some other area tsunami has come, in some other area it has not come, which means the water has been actually backed, பின்னாடி போயிடுச்சு, தண்ணி from பின்னாடி போயிடுச்சு. ஒரு இடத்துல it is starving or deficit, or it is going back, which means other side it would be very devastating, very tsunami. ஒரு சைடு இழுத்து இருக்குன்னா ஒரு சைடு இல்லைனா there is no skill, other side அதிகமாக இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். திருச்செந்தூர் கடல்ல உள்வாங்கிருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம்னா கன்னியாகுமரி சைடு வந்து அதிகமாக பொங்குதுன்னு அர்த்தம். The point is they are having some other skill. So do not actually underestimate other skill. There is no higher skill and there is no lower skill in the world. Only different skill. Point is very clear. One always used to say, military people அவங்களெல்லாம் வராது, கார்கில்ல போராடினாங்க. I'm also respecting the same. Because they are born so, they are having an inherent power to be in that position, military. உள்ளுக்குள்ளேயே அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கும், அந்த வீரம்லாம் இருக்கும். அதனால அவங்க மிலிட்ரி போயிருக்காங்க. அவங்களும் நம்மளும் ஒன்று கேட்டால் கண்டிப்பாக ஒன்று தான். சம்டைம்ஸ் பீப்புள் யூஸ் டு சே நீ போய் மிலிட்ரிலாம் போக முடியாதுடா, நீலாம் போய் காரில் போக முடியுமா? அவங்களாம் வேற லெவலு, அவங்களும் வேற லெவல் தான். We are also வேற லெவல், also the same. Okay, it is not they, I'm not disrespecting them. I'm respecting our job also. நமக்கும் அந்த இன்ஹெரிட் நல்லா வந்து பவர் இருந்தால் நம்மளும் அந்த இதில் இருந்திருப்போம். They are having that skill, we are having this skill. If we are having that skill, no, we will be also there. There is no fear to go there. நம்ம போகிறோம்னா அதான் பிரச்சனை, நம்ம போகலன்னா அதான் பிரச்சனை. Understand? So there is no higher skill in the world and there is no lower skill in the world, only different skill. People always used to say, no, இது தெரியாதா, இது தெரியாதா, இவ்வளோ படிச்சிருக்க, அவ்வளோ படிச்சு, knowing that all the things, okay, even he is not knowing small little things that we know. Don't ever say that இது தெரியாதா. What you know cannot be known by him. What he know cannot be known by you. Okay, again and again saying there is no higher skill and there is no lower skill, always different skill. So try to understand. And also skill is actually continuous process. Instead of blaming someone, instead of saying someone, no, keep on learning is very important. This is what my last say is all about. Learning is very important. In the day, how much I have harvested is less important. How much I have seeded is very important. How much I have seeded is very important than how much I have harvested. So I should learn. Skill is actually continuous process. If you want to retain the skill, no, you have to go through all the time. Learning will actually bring skill to be retained. So hereafter, do not ever say that he is having a higher skill, he is having a lower skill, and do not give up anyone in front of everyone. இவனுக்கு தெரியாது, நீங்களாம் பெரிய ஆளு. Different skill. கூட்டுறவங்க இருக்காங்கல்ல, they are what to say, sweeping all the things, அந்த ஆர்ட் கூட நம்மளுக்கு வராது. Because they are having that skill, we are having this skill. Everybody is great. செய்யும் தொழிலே தெய்வம். Thank you, love you all.